And welcome back to LOL. Now, new and improved with sound. And you shouldn't be able to hear me breathe into the mic anymore because
No.
I don't have a mic around my neck and you can't hear it moving around my neck. Thank fuck. Oh, I tell you what, that was annoying me watching back that clip. Every time I breathed into the mic and every time the friggin' headset moved around my neck and made a noise. But you live, you learn. And we still haven't figured out that we're probably best playing on the Oz server.
Oh, we probably should.
Oh wait, I don't have Tristana on the Oz server. So
You can get it.
I know, but I've built up levels now. And I have a 20-1 last game. And I guarantee this game, because it's going to be running properly with Skype and sound, it's going to be rubbish. And everybody out there in YouTube land is going to be laughing at me right now. You bastards! I hear you clicking dislike and writing those mean comments. Oh, come on.
Oh, we're waiting on me yet again.
Oh, you're loaded. Yay. We can begin.
Is this last proof?
So now I can hit Y so I can follow along. And all the people at home can follow along with me. Dun, da, da, da. Rocket Girl.
He knows how to play.
You don't hurt him if you don't hit him.
Huh?
I said that guy knows how to play.
Welcome to
Because he knew where top was.
And he knows where that is.
Yeah, I don't even know how to
See?
do that.
Hold in V and then put it on your mini map and then
A cannonball is the best size of it. Ta-da!
there you go. Oh, I got banned from. I got banned for using pinks.
What the hell are you doing here, Roth?
Why?
Minions have spawned. First
Oh, you
blood.
fucking wolf.
Huh?
An ally has been slain.
How on earth did you pull first blood this early? Oh, bugger off, Roth.
No, he's middle.
No, don't we have someone mid?
No,
Oh,
we have two top.
never mind then. Right, either
I'm dying.
bugger
I think
or
he's bot.
Where's the action?
bugger off. We don't want you. We don't need you. And you clearly suck. What, you think that's going to stop me? Huh? You think that's going to stop me? Do you? You got your ass
Enemy
kicked.
has been slain.
Almost. No.
Yeah, come here. Come here. Come here.
I'm here. Thank you. Now I won't have to fall back. So early on in game. Stop aiming for me, little bastards. Oh. Has he listened? I don't think he has. Ah, that's you.
Figured it out.
That's you casting that spell.
An ally has been slain.
Yep, and was that him again? Ah, crap. Oh, damn. Oh,
An enemy has been slain.
okay. Time to fall back.
I keep forgetting that I'm not,
I'm not doing so well.
that I'm not the character that I
Attack speed is what I need at the moment. Movement speed, yes, I'll take some of that.
An ally has been slain.
Yeah. Oh, it's top lane that's getting smacked around. Oh, that's pretty pathetic. We're 4v4 at the moment. My favourite part of LoL, all the running.
Aren't you level 8 yet?
An enemy has been slain.
No,
Can't you teleport yet?
no, I'm still level 5. When you first said it, I thought you meant level 8 as in-game level 8.
No.
Damn it, she gotta wait.
That's nice to know.
Good for you. Anyone would think we're racist. People have to tell us
Enemy has been
their
slain.
race. Like, seriously? Chinese, Japanese, Vietnamese, who cares, please? Ah, I wasn't in that circle.
An ally has been slain.
Oh, you got it.
An ally has been
Oh, she got me.
slain.
Did she? Ah, you got
Yeah,
both
but I
each
got her
other.
as well. Mhm.
Okay, well, at least you got her. That's the main point.
A summoner has disconnected.
Ah, bloody care. Ah, come on. That was a dirty hit.
Where are you?
At spawn.
Killing
I
spree.
kinda
Oh, you
died.
died.
Yeah. 1-1-1. Perfect. Well, that's my one death. Now I just need another 19 kills. Nobody steal my kills. Come on, run, you little biatch.
Yeah.
Yeah, back right off. Little biatch. Thank you. Huh?
You just died. Lux used her ult on you.
Bloody oath she did. She just beat my ass. Oh,
Yeah.
that
She
bitch
did
is
alright.
dead.
Your team has destroyed
Yeah,
the
she is.
turret.
Mine.
Rampage.
Mine. Lux dies by
She's
my
mine.
hands. Here, Luxie, Luxie, Luxie. I got a cannon to stick up your ass. And you're gonna enjoy it. First misfortune, you must die. Ah. You started my kill. Why do you just keep targeting me? Come on. Why target innocent little me?
Back.
Ah. Screw you too, Lux.
Crap.
An enemy has been slain.
Oh. Okay, I'm coming. Oh yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Thanks to me.
Oh.
I used my ult on her. Behind you.
Yeah, I see. Run, run, run! Run! Yeah, you run. Uh-oh. I didn't mean it! Come back here and fight like a bitch. Yeah, you're gonna die. You're gonna die. Come on. Come on, get back here. Get back here and die. Ah, goddamn minions. I'll hold the line until you get back. Nope, well, maybe not. I'll have to back up.
That looks cool.
Ah,
Winners don't duck.
how am I going? Charge! I went from MVP of the game to like seems the worst in game this round.
Lead the way.
Getting ready.
An enemy has been slain.
Good for that enemy.
Double kill.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you. You weren't killing her, were you? Look like you could use some help.
Sometimes outnumbered.
No.
Never.
Okay, next time I'll just stand back and watch. Another level up for you. Damn it.
An ally has been slain.
Goodbye, Taylor. You're dead.
Your team has destroyed the turret.
Yeah, you better run. Oops, sorry.
An ally has been slain.
Oh, fuck off, you little minion.
I am not good with this.
Unstoppable.
Here comes the
Stick to him.
Oops, snared. Snared, snared. Let me out, let me out, let me out. Oh. Lux is
When you
good.
see that, when you see that red line, come, run away. Like run away from it.
Yeah, I was trying to. She's starting to piss me off now. And I thought Annie was annoying. God damn.
Let's
She, Miss, what's her face?
Your team has destroyed a
Lux is
turret.
really fun to play, as though.
I think I've played her before. I wasn't very good.
She's really good now. Well, I like playing her anyway.
Yeah, well, since I last played this, they've really played around with characters.
An enemy has been slain. Dominating. An enemy has been slain.
Bring on the bad guys.
Oh, out
An
of my way,
enemy has been
minions.
slain.
Goddamn minions always getting in the way. I'm coming for you, Lux. Where are you hiding?
I was watching someone instead.
I'll take her out. I don't care.
They joined the wrong army.
An ally has been slain.
Another ally slain. What's that?
She is fine. She's already half dead because of it.
Oh, what the hell are you doing, you a-hole? Because he can't take his own lane, he's...
It's because we've opened up our lane.
Yeah, exactly, that's what I mean. Because he can't handle his lane. And now look what he's done. I got one of them. Where's the defensive line going?
An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
Oh, you got it.
Yeah, that's better than him having it.
Yeah, true. You're getting far too many sits in this game.
An enemy has been slain.
Oh, he's finally backed off. Yeah, dead, that's why.
Has destroyed a turret.
Things are heating up.
Ah, goddamn. He took the brunt of that, thank God.
Yeah, he did.
Too bad, mid is still wide open. Well, shut, I should say.
Unstoppable.
Come on, come down here.
Double kill.
Bring your ass down here.
A summoner has disconnected.
He left the game.
Like, well, I said.
Executed.
Things are heating up.
In my way, minions.
Has destroyed destroyed a turret.
Ah, he stole my kill. Little bastard. Goddamn kill stealers. What do I need? What can I afford?
A summoner has reconnected. Your team has destroyed a turret.
Walking tall.
That's all I can afford. Okay.
Legendary. Your team
And
has
meanwhile, with two
destroyed a
people
turret.
down.
One person.
Two, because the first one left early on.
Yeah,
Legendary.
Blitzcrank came back.
Shut
Did
down.
they?
Yeah.
We've just been sitting there.
Probably hasn't loaded in the game yet.
Oh, no excuse for leaving. Ah, god damn it. Well, that wasn't very fair. Damn. Ooh, I reached level 6. Sweet. So, who was it? Roth? They left, I'm pretty sure. So, you know what you get? You get a leaving. And then, who was the other one? CNF, pretty sure. You get a leaving. Stick that up your tailpipe and smoke it. You can have a nice teamwork. 7-3. God damn. It's a big change from the last one. And goodbye, YouTube.